Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today's video is a bit small, but it's very helpful. So I hope if you watch this video till the end, it will be very helpful for you. Since the flower blooms in the fall, the chrysanthemum signifies joy and beauty despite the oncoming winter. Although beautiful chrysanthemums hold various meanings across different time periods and cultures, both positive and negative, Victorians used chrysanthemums to show friendship and well-wishing. We have various colors of chrysanthemum in our garden, and these plants are about 6 years old. Every year after blooming, my mom saves the plant for next year blooming. You can grow new plant from the seeds of the mother plant. So you can collect these seeds and grow it into the new plant. But my mom tries to grow new plant from the mother plant. Okay, so today I will tell you how you can save this plant for next year. After they finish flowering, garden mums should be cut back far enough to remove all of the faded flowers. You simply have to cut all the faded leaves and old branches. Best time for cutting these flowers are the last week of January and the first week of February. But my mom cut them today because most of our plants were about to die and there were some insects attacking our plant. There will be a very cold weather in Delhi till the last week of February. And they will stay dormant through the winter and completely hardy here. New growth usually begins in February or early March when new shoots appear at the base of old stem stubs. And the flowers that you will cut, you can just put it in your compost bin. It will be a very good source of compost. After cutting the plants, my mom is showering the plant very nicely with water. Right now these plants are in sunlight, but after winter ends and summer begins, you must put these plants under shade until June. Then after winter at March, my mom will fertilize them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.